Take a minute to fill out the item description for Ned Lake PRJ. Include a citation and briefly outline the steps taken to create it. Save the project. Close the rasters map. Use Insert Project New Map to create a new map. Name the map GeoRef. Add the park boundary feature class. From Crater Lake. Symbolize it with a hollow symbol. With a 2-point thick line that is easily seen. Add the CRLA Map 1 JPEG image from the Crater Lake Home folder. The image appears in the legend, but not in the map. Click Imagery, Alignment, Georeference to open the Georeference ribbon. Click the Georeference Prepare Fit to Display button to bring the image into the current view. Click Georeference Adjust Add Control Points. Mentally match 2 corresponding corners of the northwest park boundary. Zoom in, but keep both versions of the corner visible. Carefully click the corner on the image first, and then click the corresponding corner on the park boundary polygon. Pro will help by snapping to the vertex of the polygon. Notice that the map updated after the first control point was added. Zoom to the southeast corner of the park, using the mouse wheel to avoid adding another control point. Click the location on the image first, and then click the corresponding location on the park boundary polygon. Zoom to the southeast corner of the park, using the mouse wheel to avoid adding another control point. Click the location on the image first, and then click the corresponding location on the park boundary polygon. Zoom or pan to the southwest corner of the park. Click the snapping button in the lower left part of the display to turn off snapping while entering the image point. Turn snapping back on and enter the polygon boundary point. Add a fourth pair of points at the northeast corner. Add 2 additional points on the east and west boundaries if offsets between the 2 boundaries are still visible. Click the GeoReference Review Control Point Table button to see the control points. Examine the georeferencing information box. Note the residuals for each point and the total RMS error in the georeferencing information box. Close the control point table. If the RMS error is less than 20 meters, you did well. Write it down. To save the transformation parameters with the image, click Save. Click Close GeoReference to close the ribbon. Switch to the Catalog view and update the item description of CRLA Map 1 in the Crater Lake folder. Put it in the description box and include the units. For fun, add the CRLA Map 1 to the My 3D scene. And explore the map in 3D. Close the scene and save the project when done. Open the GIS class, Class Projects, Chile Quake project. Open the attribute table for the Quake's 36 hours layer and examine the fields. In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Create Spacetime Cube by Aggregating Points tool. Set the input features to Quake's 36 hours. Click the Output Spacetime Cube Browse button and navigate to the Chile Quake folder. Name the output quakes30km.nc. The .nc extension is required. Set the time field to Time Reformat. Leave the template cube blank. Set the time step interval to 6 hours and the time step alignment to start time. Keep the fishnet grid and set the distance interval to 30 kilometers. Click the plus symbol to add a summary field. Choose the MAG field. Enter the sum statistic and select zeros for values to fill the empty bins. Click Tab to ensure the field specification is complete. Run the tool.